forward ochos. I will start with the pivot already. Let's make a long step so we can focus in that extension of the leg, not to land in this way. Let's try to have that emphasis, that extension, that straight leg there. Here, axis, here extension. Now going backward. Here axis, here extension. Axis, extension. You can give that impulse. And that impulse becomes the next pivot. Other direction, going forward, one more time. Going backward. One more time, going forward. Backward. Working that rotation for the change of direction, which we call voleo. One more time forward. One more time backward. Forward. One more time backward. Try to be aware of the extension, also the foot landing flat on the floor, especially the ball of your foot. Going backward, same thing. Try to find yourself there landing in a very efficient way, with the ball of the foot flat on the floor.
When you are doing the ocho, I will show you and explain at the same time. So I step, my legs come together, and I pivot. And you see that during the pivot, my knees are relaxed. So for taking the next step, I stretch out the leg that is gonna move forward. Transfer and pivot, relaxed. Sometimes I see that this happens for you. Relaxed in the pivot and then go down before you walk. Because since your knees are relaxed in the pivots, they are already enough relaxed for your next step. So you don't need to go down more before you take it. I see Stephanie agrees. Good. Yes, it will actually be easier if you don't add that extra going down.